Hi friends, today we will solve some problems based on gradient. So here is the first problem. Find grade phi where phi of x comma y comma z is equals to log of x square plus y square plus z square at point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So we have to find out the grade phi for this function phi at point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So let's start the solution. So the given function is phi of x comma y comma z is equals to log of x square plus y square plus z square. So we have to find out the grade phi. That grade phi is del phi. So del phi is I bar into dou by dou x plus j bar into dou by dou y plus k bar into dou by dou z into phi. So we have to multiply these del with phi. So after multiplying, we get del phi is equals to I bar into dou phi by dou x plus j bar into dou phi by dou y plus k bar into dou phi by dou z. So we have to calculate first dou phi by dou x. What is this? It is the partial derivative of phi with respect to x. So we have to take y and z are constant in these partial derivatives. So dou phi by dou x is equals to dou by dou x of phi is log of x square plus y square plus z square. So derivative of log x is 1 by x. So 1 by x square plus y square plus z square. So we have to derivative this function now. So x square derivative is 2x and y square derivative is 0 and z square is derivative is 0 because they are considered as constant. So we get dou phi by dou x is equals to 2x by x square plus y square plus z square. Next, we have to calculate dou phi by dou y. Here dou phi by dou y is dou by dou y of phi is log of x square plus y square plus z square. So derivative of log x is 1 by log x. So first we have to take 1 by x square plus y square plus z square, and derivative of this function is x square derivative is 0 and y square derivative is 2y plus z square derivative is 0. So finally we get dou phi by dou y equal to 2y by x square plus y square plus z square. Next we have to find out the dou phi by dou z. So dou by dou z of log of x square plus y square plus z square. In the same way, derivative of log x is 1 by log x. 1 by x, not log x. So 1 by x square plus y square z square. So derivative of this function is, so it is derivative of x square is 0 and derivative of y square is 0. So derivative of z square is 2z. Because why it is 0? Because we have to derivative phi function with respect to z. So we are taking x and y are constant. So they are considered as 0 derivative. So finally we have dou phi by dou z is equals to 2z by x square plus y square z square. So we found that dou phi by dou x and dou phi by dou y and dou phi by dou z. So we have to substitute all these three partial derivatives in grade phi. So after substituting we get I bar into 2x by x square plus y square plus z square. What is that? It is dou phi by dou x. And next plus j bar into dou phi by dou y and plus k bar into dou phi by dou z. So after substituting three partial derivatives, so you can see here all three partial derivatives we can take the common of 2 by x square plus y square plus z square. So we have taken the 2 by x square plus y square plus z square. Then we get x into I bar because it has only x into I bar after taking 2 by x square plus y square plus z square common. And next here we have yj bar and next here we have zk bar. So finally we have 2 by x square plus y square plus z square into xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. But the question say is that we have to find out the grade phi at point 1 comma 1 comma 1. So we have to substitute x, y and z are 1 comma 1 comma 1 respectively. So after substituting here is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So we have totally 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. So we get 2 by 3 into here is 1 and here is 1 and here is 1. So we get 2 by 3 into I bar plus J bar plus K bar. So finally we found that the grade phi at 1 comma 1 comma 1 is 2 by 3 into I bar plus J bar plus K bar. So what we have found that, let's recap. So we first find out the grade phi, that is grade phi is, that formula is I bar into dou phi by dou x plus J bar into dou phi by dou y plus K bar into dou phi by dou z. And then we calculated that dou phi by dou x and dou phi by dou y and dou phi by dou z. Next, after calculating all these partial derivatives, and substitute in grade phi. After substituting in grade phi, we have to take the point 1 comma 1 comma 1 in the grade phi. So finally we got grade phi at 1 comma 1 comma 1 is 2 by 3 into I bar plus J bar plus K bar. Next, the second problem is find unit normal vector to the surface x square y plus 2xz square equal to 8 at the point 1 comma 0 comma 2. So we have to find out the unit normal vector for this function at point 1 comma 0 comma 2. Let's start the solution. Here we have, let function of x comma y comma z is equals to x square y plus 2x z square minus 8, because the given function is here, so we take it as function f. And now the normal vector del f is equals to I bar into dou f by dou x plus j bar into dou f by dou y plus k bar into dou f by dou z. So this is the normal vector that we have to take. So next, substitute these function f in del f. So after substituting, we get I bar into dou by dou x of x square y plus 2x z square minus 8. In the same way, dou f by dou y and dou f by dou z. After substituting, we have to derivative function f with respect to x here and with respect to y here and with respect to z here. So first of all, we have to derivative function f with respect to y by taking y and z are constant. So here we have x square y. So after derivating, what we get? X square derivative is 2x. So 2x into y. So we get 2x into y plus, here we have x. So derivative of x is 1. So we get 2z square. Here derivative of minus 8 is 0 because it is a constant. So we get only 2xy plus 2z square. And next, we have to derivative this function with respect to y by taking x and z are constants. Here we have x square into y. So here y derivative is 1. So we get only x square plus, here we do have no y terms and here also we have no phi terms. So this function we take as constant. So the derivative of these terms is 0. So we get 0 plus 0 plus k bar into, we have to derivative this function with respect to z by taking x and y are constants. Here we can see, here we have x square into y because here the term doesn't contain any z term, so it is considered as constant. So the constant is, derivative of constant is 0. And next, here we have z square. So derivative of z square is 2z into 2x minus 0 because constant of is 8. So derivative of constant is 0. So finally we get I bar into 2xy plus 2z square plus j bar into x square plus k bar into 4xz because 2, 2, 4 and 4xz. And next we have to find out the normal vector at 1 comma 0 comma 2. So we have to substitute x, y and z as 1 and 0 and 2 respectively. So I bar into, after substituting x as 1 and y as 0, we get 0. And here we substitute z in the place of z, we have to substitute 2. So 2 square is 4, 2 into 4. And next, here x value is 1, so 1 square is 1. And here 4 into 1 because x is 1 and z is 2. So then we get, here we get 2 4s 8. So 8 I bar, here is j bar, 1 into j bar, and here we get for two sets, so 8 k bar. So finally we get the normal vector at the point 1 comma 0 comma 2 is 8 I bar plus j bar plus 8 k bar, but we have to find out the unit normal vector. So when we have to find out the unit normal vector, take the vector in numerator and the modulus of vector in denominator. So of already we have found that the normal vector is del f. So for finding unit normal vector, take del f by modulus of del f. So del f is 8 I bar plus j bar plus 8 k bar by modulus of del f means 8 square and 1 square is 1 and 8 square is 64. So totally we get 64 plus 64 we get 128 and plus 1 is 129. So finally we get unit normal vector as 8 I bar plus j bar plus 8 k bar by root of 129. So what we have done, let's recap. They are asking unit normal vector, so we have to find first normal vector and then unit normal vector. So in this in that case we have found that normal vector, and after finding normal vector we have found the normal vector at point 1 comma 0 comma 2, and then we found that unit normal vector as del f by modulus of del f. Here are the practice problems. Test yourself by practicing these problems. And here is the first problem is, this first problem contains a function and you have to find out the grade phi. The grade phi is what? Del phi. So you have to find out the del phi. At this point you can get this answer. And in the second problem is also same. You have to find out the del f, and del f at this point you can get this answer. And the third problem is you have to find out the unit normal vector of these functions. So first you have to find out the del f and del f at this point, and unit normal vector is what? E cap equal to del f by mod del f. So you can get these answers. You can get this answer. Practice these problems.